This video is about how to create the student registration page. So on the website, when I click on login button in the navigation bar, it will take me to the login page. And there are two buttons in the login page, registration and login. So when I click on registration button, it will take me to the registration page. So this is how the registration page looks like. So there are 4 input fields, one sign up button and a home button. So when I click on home button, it will go back to the home page. Then there's a heading, then 4 input fields and 4 labels and a sign up button. So let's see how to create this basic registration page. So this is the code for the registration page. So styling we'll see afterwards. First let's see the HTML code, which is very simple. There's a button, there's a home button at the top right corner. So this is the code for it: button, then class, home, on click, document, location, index.html. So when I click on the home button, it will go to the home page. Then there's a heading which says registration. Then I've created a form. So this entire thing is written inside form opening and closing tag. Then there's a div which with class container. Then there are four labels with username, which says username, email, password and confirm password, and each label will have an input field with classes type, placeholder, name and required. So on the website, if I forget to fill out a particular input field, it will show and if I try to click on sign up, so let's write something in each of these input fields. And see what happens. So if I forget to fill out a particular input field and if I try to sign up, it will show that please fill out this field. So this is because of the required class. Then finally there's a button which says sign up. So that is the HTML code for the registration page. And for the styling part, for the body tag, I have used these properties: font family, background color. Then I have styled the sign up class, the form tag, the input tag, the container class and the home class. So styling part is up to you. You can style your page however you want. So as you can see on the browser, there's blue color for the container, then yellow color for the sign up and home button. So this all is done because of the CSS. So that's it for this video. Thank you.